Good morning, everyone. We are starting out with a lot of rain across the area today, but in our northwestern communities, roadway temperatures are at or just below freezing, so there are some slick spots being reported from Gladwin up through West Branch and then east over to Ascota. Be careful. It's similar to what we saw across the entire area Wednesday morning. Even though temperatures are all above freezing, roadway temperatures are at freezing in some areas, and that's creating a few slick spots out there. So let's zoom in on a couple of locations seeing some of the light to moderate rain right now. Here we are in Saginaw, Zilwaukee, up towards Pinconning, a break in Bay City, but more to the south and west of us, where Alma's getting some more rain after having a little bit of a lull. And this will be the case throughout the morning, and it'll become even more scattered into your afternoon, where the heaviest of the rainfall actually fell last night and currently right now. So we've had a break in Alsable. We'll have a break also in Ascota, but Tawas picking up the rain, West Branch as well. Another batch near Gladwin, and this is only going to exacerbate a little of the icing on the secondary roadways. So again, please be careful. You guys know the drill. We can't drive on ice. There's absolutely no traction at all, and that's creating some headaches out there, and many schools have closed because of this. Now let's head a little more to the south. We haven't received too many reports of any icing on the roadways, with the exception of Lapeer. Lapeer has reported a little bit, but now more heavy rain moving in through Fenton, also into Grand Blanc, and then heading into Flint. Owasso seeing some of that as well. So we'll continue to watch for the rain showers this morning. The rain's not bad news though. It's beneficial rain, and we're going to continue to watch it off and on throughout the morning. But remember, we're in a slight drought, plus Lake Huron and Michigan are about 2 feet below their normal water levels, which is pretty significant. So it's good to see some rain, even though many of you would love to see the snow. I would love to see the snow myself. But we are tracking some rain out there this morning, so at least we're getting some help with the drought. Now, how much has fallen? More than a half an inch in Flint, pushing 3/4 of an inch now for Bay City and Tawas, a half an inch in Clare and Mount Pleasant as well. So about a half an inch to an inch by the time this is all said and done later today. And temperatures will quickly climb as we go throughout the morning, because what's pushing the rain into the area is a warm front in the southern part of the state. It's moving north, and out ahead of it, we have temperatures that are at or well above freezing. We're talking about the coldest temperature being 34 in Clare, so that's why we're not seeing snow. But 36 in Tawas, pushing 40 already in Bay City and Flint, 38 in Caro, and 40 in Owasso. And we're climbing into the low 50s once that warm front pushes to the north. Where's it at right now? Well, it's where the heaviest of the rainfall is, and that's now moving into the Detroit metro area. But the warm front is also pushed up towards Grand Rapids. Chicago's temperatures have been in the upper 40s and low 50s this morning, and that's that warm air that's going to slowly make its way out ahead of the boundary. And we will continue to talk about it being warm not only today, but tonight and into tomorrow. So much warmth tomorrow, we may be seeing a record high temperatures challenge in Flint. So here we are at 51 now in Chicago and Indianapolis, 39 in Detroit, and we're in the upper 30s out ahead of the warm front. But again, it'll move through in the next couple of hours, cut off the widespread rains, give us a isolated shower throughout the day. But warmth will really be the big story before more cold air moves in, and we have to talk about snow, sleet, freezing rain, and ice as early as Saturday night into Sunday morning, when Saturday afternoon we're talking about the possibility of a record high. Crazy, crazy weather going on. So low 50s today, upper 50s tomorrow. If we see more sunshine, not out of the question to see a 60 or 2-degree reading somewhere in the viewing area. Then 35 on Sunday, back to reality Monday with temperatures at average, and we could see a little bit of snow moving into the area as we go towards Wednesday. School closings are at mynbcnews.com, and you can track the radar 24/7 on our website under the weather tab.